Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to report a video on TikTok. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is obviously open up your TikTok app.
Sometimes
Find that video.
you have to be a piece of shit.
Just pause this, sorry, give me a moment.
You gotta have bad habits.
So if you want to report this video, for example, or any video, simply click on the share button, bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then you be brought to this page, and then the bottom left hand corner of it will be a report button. It might be to the right, but normally it's at the bottom left hand corner of this page. So click on report, then this pop-up will appear, and then you can select the reason, and then you select which reason. I'm just going to click on other, and then you click on submit. I'm obviously not going to report this video because it's done nothing wrong, but I'm just showing you guys how to report a video inside TikTok. Alright, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.